And I'm happy to be joined by my two special guests here this evening, Dr. Katy Kamkar, clinical psychologist for the Center for Addiction and Mental Health, and a man that really needs no introduction here in Leafs Nation, former captain of the Toronto Maple Leafs, Wendell Clark. Dr. Katy, I'm going to start with you. You must be so excited to hear that tonight is Hockey Talks Awareness. How does the Center feel about this initiative?
I am very excited indeed. We know that this is an absolutely fantastic initiative to really raise awareness of mental health issues and to really help to fight the stigma attached to mental illness. The more the issue is out in the public, the more we talk about it, the better support we can give to those who are in need. And really at this point, what's important is providing education, increasing awareness, so that we can really encourage those who suffer from mental health problem to seek professional care.
Now, Wendell, pro sports have obviously been touched by mental illness. Why is it so important for current players and former players to join this initiative?
Well, I think it's great for current and former players, definitely, because we can deal with it. We've dealt with every other kind of injury, and this is another major injury, and usually it's guys and a guy thing or a sports where we don't want to admit we need help. You want to fight through everything, but it's a lot quicker to learn and fight through something if you get the proper help.
A lot of people don't know many statistics about mental health. Can you just clarify some of those for us?
Definitely. We know that 20% of Canadians will suffer from a mental health problem during their lifetime. So this is really 1 in 5 Canadians will suffer from mental illness within a 1-year period. And also it is predicted that by the year 2020, depression will be the second leading cause of disability, just next to heart disease, the second leading cause of disability. So no one, exactly no one, is immune to mental illness. So if we do not suffer from a mental health problem, we all know of a colleague or friend or relative or family who do suffer from a mental illness. So this is a topic that affecting really each of us.
It's good to know that you're not alone, and the hockey world definitely is a hockey family, and the goal for Hockey Talks is to start a conversation. How can we here as Leafs Nation and as a hockey community help reach that goal?
Well, it's just getting the awareness out there. It starts from that. Everybody is hockey crazy, especially now we're back watching hockey, so we can be a focal point in the hockey world with the hockey team here with the Leafs and all the other teams, and that getting the awareness out there, talking about it, just making it aware and a normal thing to talk about, not something you want to hide. And usually athletes on all the teams across all the sports, we can be standing out front and center saying it's normal, it's good to talk about, and hopefully that can rub off on everybody else and they can feel comfortable as well.
Dr. Kamkar, how can people get a hold of the Center for Addiction and Mental Health or get in contact with them to help with this Hockey Talks?
Well, we know that CAMH is really the largest hospital in Canada specializing in the treatment of mental illness and addiction. And we also lead policy and mental health promotion initiatives throughout the province. So there are various ways to get involved. So there is CAMH.ca for people to get a chance to get various information and resources. Volunteering is definitely one of the great ways to get involved. We always welcome individuals and groups and companies, and it's a wonderful way to really give back to our community. There are different ways to participate in our giving program. So CAMH.ca, really, that will be a great place to go.
You heard it, Leafs Nation. Get involved. Thank you guys very much for joining us tonight. We always appreciate having you.